So what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing my brother's 2018 Toyota Corolla. We're doing a basic oil change on it. As you guys can see, I did start the process while you were not around because it's pretty hot today. So I apologize for that, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it. The process here pretty quick. And coming from the passenger side here, so I'm gonna go underneath the car. And you're gonna see that I did remove the drain plug bolt, which is not dripping anymore. I think they finally stopped, including this engine oil filter down there. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward, it's pretty easy. You don't need any special tools in it aside from 14mm socket, and I did have this socket for engine oil filter because I do quite a lot of that, and some of the dealer are using them very hard, which is not right. Correct me if I'm wrong, they should be only hand tight. Anyway, let's go ahead and fix this car up and off you go. Before I forgot, this is where you jack your car. You jack it on the center here. This is the center of the frame, if I'm right, but I did know that every car have the center point to jack it on the front and also in the rear. In the rear is always in the center dip if you have a center dip. If not, there should be like a tow hook thing here, like kind of like this, where you hook your car up. There should be pretty sturdy, so you can jack it up down there. Okay. So right before we put it back all together, just want to make sure that the surface is clean enough before you put the drain plug bolt as well as your engine oil filter here. Makita mo yung tornilyo? So after we clean underneath the car, we are cleaning this drain plug bolt. So we are cleaning this drain plug bolt, guys. As you can see, I did have this on, which is a plastic, but I'm not gonna put it in here. I believe it should be this one here that Toyota supply. It's a crush washer, so we're gonna put it like that. And again, guys, correct me if I'm wrong. If I did it wrong, just comment down below. Then it should not matter anyway. Okay, pass the paper towel. No, clean this one. Again, like I said earlier, make sure that everything is clean before you button everything's up or before you put it back together. Make sure everything is nice and clean. Yep. It's a 14mm, as well as this guy right here. We're gonna make sure that it's clean enough. Can you pass the ratchet? Pamihit yung bakal nandito sa car. Dito sa may driver side, sa may passenger. Huwag ka sasakay ah. Baka bumagsak sa akin to. So we figure out that we just put it in our 3000 or 3000 ml here, so it's gonna be more accurate for us because the ground is not so level. So we put about 3000 ml in this orange container. And if you guys are wondering, we are using Motul 0W20. Again, this is not sponsored by Motul. I just use this for my car, and I do recommend it for my brother as well. And we are also using this Toyota genuine engine oil filter that will go underneath this 2018 Toyota Corolla, not GR Corolla, Toyota Corolla. So as the manual says, put 4.2 liter, including the engine oil filter. So we're gonna put a little bit on here, and maybe about 1 ml here, or 100 ml in this one, just to make sure that we're not putting too much, and also I don't want to waste oil. So we're gonna go ahead and begin the process. Come on. That should be good enough. Make sure that you guys lube this rubber o-ring here before you put it back on your car. Okay, I'm gonna crawl underneath this car. Make sure that you clean this location down here where you put your engine oil filter. And let's put the engine oil filter on it. Wipe the excess oil. I did not put too much oil on this engine oil filter because the location is kind of sketchy. It's just gonna start dripping oil as soon as I put too much on it, and I don't want to wait long for the engine filter to absorb it. So I just put about 20 ml. Raymond, get the ratchet, the one in the car.
This side here.
Yeah, no, the other one, the one with the black thing. So this is a little bit oily here, so we're gonna go ahead and use this ratchet here, which is not very applicable, but just gonna hand hit it just to make sure that it is tight. That should do it. We're gonna put a 1000 ml on this one. Just put 1,000 first, and then let's check your dipstick. Hang on, the ground is not level.
That's already 900 ml.
Yeah, put 1,000 ml. A little bit more, no?
No, that's 1000.
Okay, now we're gonna pour another 1,000 ml, which is 1 liter. There goes your 4,000 liter oil, 4-liter oil, and we're gonna measure it through our dipstick once the engine runs. Just want to make sure that close this so there's no debris coming in this one. Patay mo na. As it says in this 2018 Toyota Corolla manual, says in our engine oil 0W20. You can focus it down there like that. And for the engine oil capacity, it's with the filter 4.2 liter. Without the filter, it's 3.9. So we just put 4 liter in this engine here, and about 50 or 20 ml in the oil filter, engine oil filter. So I'll just give my brother the excess oil, and he'll measure it out after he cleans his car. That's about it. That's the basic oil change for 2018 Toyota Corolla.